Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on screen time on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! A common problem people have when using their digital devices is how devices cause them to spend too much time in front of a screen. Apple's solution for this is the screen time feature, which came to Mac with macOS Catalina. So how to do it if you want to turn on the screen time on your MacBook? It's so simple. So first, all you need to do, you can just go to your system preferences or on your settings on your MacBook. You can open your system preferences in here. And you'll find there is an option screen time on it with the glass hover icon. You can just click on screen time. Can tap on continue. Click on continue. And you can turn on by tap on here, by click on here on the turn on. So now your screen time on your MacBook is enabled. And as this device is used, screen time will be reported in here. And you'll find in here, you can see your screen time on your MacBook on that graphic. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn on screen time on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!